Here's a side update. So the OwlCam didn't work. Well, it worked. The actual camera worked, but the IR lights didn't work. I don't know why. It could be a defective unit. There could be many reasons. Who knows? But one option was returning for a replace to have it get looked at. In order to that, I had to keep a subscription. Long story short, I have to return it. Would I order another one? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's like, it's faster for me to return this and order a new one than it is to have this returned, get it looked at, and then replace or fix and then send back to me. It was ridiculous. Like, their system is a little. And then I had to keep, because I didn't want the subscription. You can't order this without a subscription. So I had to keep that subscription and I have to activate it and pay for that subscription in order to get it looked at. Unless I add this to my current subscription. But then if I do that, then I would, the camera that this is replacing, in the meantime, I wouldn't be able to have that camera on my plan because it's attached to this, which is being sent back. It was just so confusing, you know. So, but that's their way. That's their policy. Fine, so be it. I'm gonna have to do a full return. I might as well order a new one if I decide to do that, and then so let's see what happens. I don't know if it's worth it to just for the IR lights. The main reason why I wanted to get a new one, and it's like that doesn't. Anyway, thanks for watching.